guys, you're watching Gregorio Girls Makeup. If you're new, my name's Shauna and I run this channel with my sister Devin. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this super easy neutral eye look and then how you can pair it with different lips in the Colourpop Kiss and Makeup collections. I'm only going to pair this eye look with 5 of these colors. As I'm sure you can see, because I tried on a bunch of different colorful ones, all the colors are kind of bleeding around my lips and it looks a little messy, so I only stuck with 5. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Alright, so my eyes are already primed and set, so I'm just going to do a very easy, neutral, universal type of eye look. The first I'm going to dip into the Colourpop and Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette. I am first, I think, just going to go in with this shade right here, and we'll just run that through our crease, just kind of like a nice light wash of color. And then next I'll just lightly kind of deepen it up with this shade right here. And as always, I just kind of like to deposit it right in the outer corner of my eye first, kind of build up the intensity out there, and then start kind of bringing it up and through my crease. And if you guys have tried these liquid lips or you plan on trying them, if you've tried them, let us know if you like the formula. This is going to be my first time testing them out. I know back in the day when they had their original matte formula, I'm just going to go back in with this brush and just kind of blend around the edges, but when they had their original ultra matte formula back in the day, it was definitely really drying, and I liked a lot of the colors. I'm sure they're somewhere upstairs in our collection, but I don't really gravitate towards them because they were just very drying and I felt like they just kind of like sucked the life out of my lips. So I am interested in trying them out. So next, you guys know I just want to take a little bit of my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm starting to run out of this little Guess not. Anyway, now we're going to go into this shade right here. This is the shade, this is from Colourpop. It's the shade Take It Slow. And I actually got this shade and this shade from their first launch, when they first launched their single eyeshadows. It's cool to kind of like look back and how your products can just like kind of take you back and show you how like the brands have grown and all that stuff. I don't know, I'm getting a little nostalgic on you. I just think it's really cool because Colourpop's, you know, a younger, newer brand. Like, you know how they're called in the beauty industry, like the brand that never sleeps. I feel like that really describes them. And then I'll just take a little bit more of this shade right here, just on the same brush that I was using it on. Just lightly brush it over the outer corner just to get like a soft blend on it. Again, this is not a look that I want to be like super dramatic, but I just do want a little bit of dimension on my outer corner. And then taking some of that first original transition shade on this is just a BH, a small BH Cosmetics blending brush. We'll just run that along our lower, what did I get on my head? Just excuse my disheveledness. And then this shade right here, again, we'll just grab on a small Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And then you guys know I can't help myself, I always end up doing this trick with any of my eyeshadow looks. I want to just add some of this dark brown color right here. I'm going to take it like I always do on my Morphe M432 brush and just stamp it along my lash line so that my lashes look fuller once I put on my mascara. Alright, so I popped on some mascara, so the eye look is finished. I just wanted to show you guys, if you do a really kind of minimal, neutral eye look, you can really spice up your look with any type of lip colors. So I just picked 6 of the colors, so I'll kind of roll through them like how Devin did in her review and just kind of speed it up so that I don't keep you guys here forever. Alright, so I know I said I was going to do 6. I only wound up doing 5 because they were the top 5 colors that I really wanted to try, and plus my lips are starting to get really stained, as I'm sure you can see all around here. I've got like a mixture of pink and red and neutral and all that. So I'm gonna stop there. I hope this was helpful for you guys, just so you can see how you can transition an eye look with some different lip colors. I will have this collection linked down below in case you are interested in shopping it. You can buy the whole collection, and I think you can buy them each individually if you saw some colors between this video and Devin's review that you really liked and you wanted to try. Again, don't forget to go watch Devin's review on this collection. She tries out all the colors. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and let us know what colors you like the best down below. Once again, thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.